Yeah. Yes. Abhi, that was a load shedding. That was a 1 minute load shedding. Can you hear me? That was a very small load shedding. Uh, can you hear me, Abhi? There's very small load shedding. Uh, wait, wait. Just let other guys. Can anyone just just let me think. Just a second, okay? We can create Discord group. Bro, they have a Discord group. I mean, if you go to my Twitter and over there, you will find the Discord group link. Okay, if you go over there, you will get the Discord group. Am I live or not? I don't think so. I'm live. Live or not? Am I live or not? Am I live or not? I think I'm live. Okay, just let other come. I mean, just give me sometimes, then they will come over there. Oh man, I took a lot. I will explain this one, okay? And okay, you are live and live. Hi bro. Hi Anash. Ans Agarwal. How are you, brother? Just let other comes, okay? Just give them sometimes I have tweeted. Just give 2 to 3 minutes, okay? I would like to spend more times with you guys. I would like to show you something else right now. Then I will talk, okay? Just let other come. In the meantime, read the price action. How it works over there. Give me the like. I mean the electricity has gone and come. So I took a loss over there, right? I took a loss over there. Let me show it to you. See, it's 12,750. I'm going to mitigate my loss now. Why I'm going to mitigate my loss? When I take a loss, I should think only about mitigating my loss. I'm not interested to take another I mean profit by this entry. Now when I will take the entries, should I take my entry right now? No, I shouldn't take my entry right now. Why? Because this is consolidation. Why this is consolidation? Before taking this sell side liquidity. First accumulation phase, second accumulation phase, distribution, setup. This is the first accumulation phase. So you have to wait to leave this accumulation phase first. That is why it is not the perfect place to take your entry. Why did I take my entry? I'd like to show you how to mitigate the loss. Mitigating loss means 1275. I am not going to take more than 1275. If I get 1275, I'll be happy. No more than 1275. This is this is the this is the rules. Now, what I will do, I will do gamble. Why I will do gamble? It happens. I don't know. Some people are over here. SK9 9000. I have a Discord group. Okay, just let me show you. If you go to my Twitter, this is the pin post. Okay, go to the pin post, comment. Sorry, not over there. To the comment and to the low. This is the Discord group. Look over here. You will find the Discord group over there. So please, if you are interested, you can join over there. I mean, I don't know how to do this, but Music Life, he has made this Discord group, and most of the people I know they are over there. Okay, so you can join over there to the Discord group. I hope it is insightful for you. You think? Now I'll do gamble. This is gambling. Try to understand what is gambling. It has I took a loss over there. I can see they are very clean buy side liquid. Look over here. This is a very clean buy side liquid. Okay, but I saw market actually came lower to this fair value gap. I'm going to take sell over there. I'm going to put my stop loss over there. Target profit for 1275. Why is 1275? Okay, this is 1275. Now I'm expecting market will give here. I mean, it will deliver the price to this 1275. If it delivered over there, I will be mitigated my loss. Is that valid entry? No, it's not valid entry. This is gambling. Try to understand the gambling. Why it is gambling? Look at this clean buy side liquidity. I don't know price will go lower before clearing this buy side liquidity. I really don't know that. That is why this is pure gambling. Then why I took that entry? Most of the people who are new, they will take a loss. Maybe they are reading the price from there. They saw a very clean setup over there. They took their entry over there. They are stopped out. Next time when price came here, they don't read the price anymore. They will take the okay. Before going further, I would like to say if it delivered over there and my loss is mitigated, don't think I'm right over here. Okay, this is the thing I'm showing you to understand the gambling and the reading price action. Okay, if it delivered over there and the loss is mitigated, don't think, to be honest brother, don't think this is precise price action and I am right over here. If it delivered over there, I'm lucky. It's not precise price action. I'm lucky over here. Okay, so now let me talk. When they took a loss over there and price came back again there, Depending on their analysis, they will think, okay, so market is going to take the sell side liquidity now. It is going to take that, so they will take their entry over there, and this is called gambling. This is the difference between reading price action and taking perfect entry. This is pure gambling. Why this is gambling? Look at this buy side liquidity, very clean buy side liquidity. If market would like to go lower, it should take the buy side liquidity. It should take it. Now, if it didn't take that, and you are waiting to see that market will go higher and take the buy side liquidity, after that it will give you a nice market structure shape or something, but it didn't do it. Instead of that, it went lower and take the sell side liquidity. Everything it is taken. What you will miss? Maybe you took a loss over there, but you didn't gamble. So you worked with your psychological issue. Later, maybe tomorrow, you will get a chance to mitigate your loss. Never do this type of gambling. If it take over here, if it went over there, I am lucky. I am not right. I am lucky. I don't want to be lucky. I want to be, I mean, I want to be right. When I will be right, when I will read the price action, then I will be right. To understand, guys, what is the difference between gambling and the precise price action? If I saw this run actually taken the buy side liquidity, then it went lower and I took my entry over there, that would be precised. I would write it down. I am always right over here. If it take this sell side, this target, because my loss is 1275, I put my target profit over there. If it take that on, I am right this time. This time I'm right. No, I'm not right. I'm lucky. This is gambling, and I am always telling you, don't gamble. Never ever do this type of things. If you do this one time and you see, okay, it has been mitigated, maybe your target has been hit, you will do this again, 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 and you are gonna be the loser for forever. You will never understand the price action because you will depend on your luck. Here in the market, nothing is related with luck. Everything is related with price. I don't want you to be lucky. I want you to be right. Every single time you will be right. If you ask me, brother, do you see anything to take that entry, like this entry, okay? Do you see any single thing to take that entry? No, I didn't see any single thing over here to take that entry. Nothing at all. I'm lucky here. I'm not gonna write it down over here. I'm always right. I'm gonna tell you I'm lucky. This is gambling. You are not allowed to take this type of gamble. Is it clear, guys? Let me know, okay? Can we say market is sloppy now? No, this is not sloppy. This is the accumulation phase, reaccumulation phase, setup, accumulation phase, distribution phase. Only thing I am not happy to see is it has made the buy side liquidity. That is the thing I am not happy to see. If this candle took that buy side liquidity, if it would go above that high, then this entry was valid. That was the entry that would be valid. That entry never ever valid. This is not the valid entry. This entry, after taking that high, it didn't take the high, right? But if it would take that high, after that, if you would take that entry, that would be the logical entry. That wouldn't be a gambling. When I took that entry, depending on this price action, this is gambling. I am lucky this time. I will be lucky every time. No, I'm not gonna be lucky every time. I will lose. I will lose more than I will gain. Uh, having failure had its buy sell liquidity taken out. Brother, please don't refer me something I don't go. I mean, 5 minute chart. I think SK9000. This is your first day to my streaming. I think so. Okay, I'm not sure. But if it's your first day, you will understand. Actually, I don't go some specific time frame. I actually go to some specific time frame. Okay, daily time frame, 15-minute time frame, 1 minute time frame. I make the time frame smaller. So I don't go 5 minute time frame. Yeah, I go to 5 minute time frame, but very rare. In my opinion, switching time frame is kind of forcing market to give you a setup. Okay, so I hope you will understand, brother. I mean, if it is your first day, then you will understand. If you continue, I mean, if you can continue, okay. RR, risk reward ratio. Hmm. So Roshan, you are also, I mean, you are also very new. I mean, maybe this is your first day. I think, Roshan. Your risk reward ratio is so bad. Yeah, brother, my risk reward ratio is too bad, brother. To be honest, too brother, too bad. This week so bad only loses. Ah no, this week was perfect. In my opinion, this is the perfect week. I got everyday setup. Yeah, that's the thing. 1 month, one time, 1 week, every week, weekend, daily, every day, hourly, rarely. I mean, I go rarely in hourly time frame. 15-minute time frame. Most of the time, I spent to the 15-minute chart and 1 minute chart for taking entry. So I actually made my time frame very small. I mean, oh, okay. I actually don't trade here. I mean the forex because of the manipulation. In in there, no, brother Roshan. I'm not from India. I'm from Bangladesh, brother. I'm from Bangladesh. I think you are from India. So if you are from India, then I'm your neighbor. And you ask, okay, actually I don't explain this type of things, but I will explain to you, Roshan. Okay, I don't look at the risk reward ratio. I mean, this thing, I don't look at this. If you ask me why, because I am 90% right. 90% of the time I'm right. You can say 95% of the time. Because I put my stop loss depending on the price. And when I know I'm not going to be stopped out, I don't care about the risk reward ratio. Instead of that, I care about the handle. How many handle I'm going to take. 20 handle, 25 handle, 30 handle, 40 handle, 60 handle. How many handle I'm going to take. That's the thing I really love to see. If you'd like to get that more, I would like to explain that. Okay, just think about this one. If you take that entry over here, okay, so that is my target where I will put my stop loss. I will put my stop loss above that high. Above this high, I will put my stop loss. Okay, now how many handle is it? I mean, risk reward ratio is 1 is to 2.26. Okay, this is the risk reward ratio. Now I don't look this. Instead of that, I look how many handle I am going to take. I mean, how many handle I am going to risk. 10 handle? Can I afford it? Yeah, I can. I will take this entry. If my price action is telling me I should put my stop loss over here, just think like that way. It's over here, so it's near about 25 handle, and my target is over there. Okay, just not there. Just think like it will be here, somewhere here. Okay, just here. So how many risk reward ratio? 1 is to 2.5. How many handle I'm going to take risk? 25 handle. No, I'm not going to take that entry. I'm not going to take that entry. So I actually care about the handle, how many handle I'm going to take a risk. If I can say it is near about, I mean, in between 15 to 17 handle maximum, I'm going to take that entry. Sometimes I take 1 is to 7, sometimes I take 1 is to 0.8, not even 1 is to 1. Why I do that? Because I read the price. When I know where price can go, I'm more confident to take that entry. I don't care about my risk reward ratio. Why I didn't care about that one? The thing is, I know I'm not going to be stopped out. If I put my stop loss over here, market can never go over there. Never ever. It can't go over there. I'm pretty much sure about that. When I'm sure about that, I really don't care about the risk reward ratio. Let me actually clean that things, okay? I will put my stop loss over here, just over here, okay? And I will put my target profit over here. Now, how many risk reward ratio I have? 1 is to 6.6. Price didn't go over there. I took my profit over there. So what is my risk reward ratio? 1 is to 6. Just think it is 1 is to 6. How many is my actually profit? 21 handle, right? So just think $1,000. I took $1,000 profit. Now I will put my stop loss over there. Price didn't stop me out. What is my profit? $1,000. So my profit is $1,000. Why do I care about this one? Why do I care about this one? If I put it over here, I don't care. What is my risk reward ratio now? 1 is to 0.8. I don't care about that because I know price can't go above that high. Above that high, it can't go. You can ask me, brother, then why do you put your stop loss? You can't, you don't need to put your stop loss. Obviously, I need to put my stop loss. Why? Because I take sometimes I take lose. 5% of the time I take losing trade. 5% of the time I don't want to risk my money. When I will take my loss, I mean the entry that will be into that 5%, losing 5%, I will take some small losses. I'm happy with that because I know 95% of the time I'm going to be right. Roshan, I'm sorry, brother, but to be honest, I don't know you were from, I mean, this time you just joined or not, but if you were from the morning session, I, I, I told about everything, every single thing beforehand, from this setup, this setup, every single thing. The thing is, if you understand the narrative, if you understand the weekly bias, if you understand how price will act at the time, I mean the lunch hour or the before 9:30, before after 1 p.m., you will rarely take the losing trade. But you have to believe that. You have to believe that you are not going to take a losing trade. You have to believe that. Okay. So you unexplained very good. These more videos ICT concepts. Okay. Right now I'm very busy, brother. That's why I am just doing this live streaming after maybe 7 to 8 days. So right now I'm busy for my personal stuff. I will continue to upload the video again and also the what to say, the live streaming again regularly. Don't think it is going higher. I don't believe it will go higher. I would like to see it will go lower. My narrative is telling me it will go lower. Let me just go to the 15-minute chart one more time. And I need to clean all of this. I want to clean these things as well because I really don't want to look that type of things to my chart. So I'm just gonna reset it again. Okay. So this is the 15-minute chart. Wednesday we saw the lower run. Here it is consolidating. I don't want to see the consolidation. I want to see the lower run. It should go low. That is my only thinking. Where price came? The last fair value gap. This is the last fair value gap. Anybody has any confusion about this fair value gap? I will use this 50-minute fair value gap as my inversion fair value gap. Okay, remember this. I will use this 15-minute fair value gap as my inversion fair value gap. What should be the expectation? This should be the expectation. This should be the expectation. Okay, this is my expectation until now. Why it is doing this? Look at the time. What time is it? 2:01, right? This is the macro time. Why price is doing this? Because this is the macro time. When price is inside the macro, what it has done? Did it take any buy side liquidity? No. Did it take any sell side liquidity? No. It didn't do anything when it is inside the macro time. Now mark this high and this high. What is that? Equal highs. If price can take that buy side liquidity, after that, if it can give you a very nice market structure shift, that will be your macro entry. Don't forget the macro entries. Okay. Now if it went lower, give you the market structure shift, what will you do? I am not going to do anything. I will mark that as my sell side liquidity has taken, because I didn't see buy side liquidity has taken yet. So it is not going to be my, though it is not clean market structure shift, that is not my market structure shift, or how to say, till now I am not looking for the market structure shift. Till now I am waiting for taking sell side liquidity or buy side liquidity. I need to take that on first. Okay, this is macro. Okay, totally different with uh what to say, I mean the high time frame analysis. Mark this buy side liquidity as well. Okay, this is also the buy side liquidity. So now I took, it has taken the sell side liquidity as well. Sell side liquidity has taken. First thing, when it came to the inside the macro, it has taken the sell side liquidity. If I get a market structure shift to the above, I will go to take a buy. Why? This is macro. That is why I am going to take my buy. Now, is that high is acceptable as my market structure shift? It's kind of forcing. I will force it, but this is not perfect market structure. This won't be the perfect market structure shift. Why? Because this, look at this week, very small. If you do this, there is no, even not a single week over there. So this is kind of forcing market to give you a setup. If you wait, you can wait, you can skip the macro as well. You have to wait into the macro. No high time frame analysis work. Nothing works inside the macro. Don't ever think macro will follow the high time frame analysis. Never ever. I didn't see that. Okay, so many questions. Okay, let me read. Ravi, hey Ravi, how are you, brother? You're late. Bro, I saw chart 2019 12 models, but in real market they do not work. Ans, if you watch ICT's previous videos, I mean previous mentorship videos, you will learn nothing from there. To be honest, brother, you will learn nothing from there. So stop watching them. Instead of that, if you can watch the 22 YT, 22 mentorship and 23 mentorship, okay, but don't watch the previous mentorships. You will learn nothing from there. If you would really so many interest, then you can go for the core content. I didn't study them because this is too much for me. I can't actually take that much information, so I didn't study core content. But if you want, if you are very interested, then you can study them. Okay, that's an advice. Don't think I'm just what to say, I don't know. I've already given you 3 likes already. Oh, sorry, Arlitz. I'm very sorry, brother. But thanks for that. I mean, so many load shedding today. I came and I am facing the load shedding. It's because outside is storming. Okay. I mean, there is some kind of cyclone to the Bay of Bengal. So this is the side effect. It's raining outside, so load shedding. Ovi, while watching the market, don't forget to use an important indicator, and that is like, yeah, please don't forget to use that indicator. Give me the like, please. It's Tom. Is there any way to know if 9:30 to 10 will consolidate or expand? I have double knowing if I should wait or not. Okay, yeah, obviously it has. I was thinking to talk about this. Okay, let me go to the 9:30 first. See, and I mean, this is the candle, right? Brother, what was your name? Tom. This is 9:30. Look at the run after 9:30. How long it went higher? Until 10. It went higher until 10. This is the manipulation. How do you know this won't be the manipulation? If you see very big run, I mean, it's very difficult. Okay, just let me. Uh, Here, okay. If you see this thing after 9:30, right? Maybe this type of things, you will wait until 10. The manipulation or Judas swing will be until 10. If you see after 9:30, big run, big run, this type of big run, okay? You don't need to wait until 10:30. I mean 10. I'm sorry. You don't need to wait until 10 because the Judas swing has done its job. But if you see this type of Mickey Mouse move, you will wait until 10 because you will expect the Judas swing or the manipulation or whatever you say, it will happen until 10. So this is one of the way. There are some other ways as well. uh, Look for SMT. Yeah, SK 9000. Yeah, I look for SMT as well, but when it is important, then I do that. I mean, if you watch my previous videos to my YouTube channel executions video, you will get so many SMT entries. So many. Most of the entries I took before starting the live streaming. You will see the SMT over there. Bro, how about Discord now? You need it? Uh, Discord, I've already showed it to you. I mean, if you go to my profile, I mean Twitter at the rate of NRT12345, you will find me. Okay, and this is the pin post. Okay, to the pin post, you have to go to the comment, and from the comment, you will see shows. Okay, some comment are hidden. I don't know why. You will go over there, and you will find the Discord. Music Life actually made this Discord group, and some of my brothers are over there. I'm also over there. They do, I mean, they're actually working on that. I really don't know how to use Discord or something, but you guys can join over there and you can make it more effective. Okay, I really don't know anything about that one. I'm also over there. Bro, you didn't study core content, still you have so much knowledge. Did you see 2020 commentaries? I didn't miss anything from 2019. I mean, I didn't miss not I missed nothing that is published by ICT Michael from 2019 to 2023. Okay, except the core content. I started to study them, but it's too much information for me. I couldn't take that much information. That's why I stopped learning them. In my opinion, whatever I know, whatever I'm telling here, that is enough for me. That's why I skipped the the learning. Okay, I skip that. So this is the last candle. If I get the market structure shift by this candle, I'm interested to take entry. Otherwise, I'm not going to take any kind of entry depending on the macro. Where are you located in Dhaka? No, I'm not in Dhaka. Actually, I live in Portugal, Denmark, and Germany, three countries, whatever. Now I am in Bangladesh. I'm in Khulna. Okay. Okay. What are you taking about, brother? I'm happy giving you text likes because you deserve it. Thank you, Aldits. Thanks, brother. If you think I deserve it, then I'm happy. President higher after 10 a.m. Silver bullet zone. My SK 9000. Actually, it went higher. I explained that to my first live, maybe to today's first live. I explained that, but it's impossible for me to talk about that right now. Okay, so if you can check, you you will understand. Right now, I okay, just a second. Don't forget these two thing. Okay, that was the fair value gap from 15-minute chart. This was the buy side liquidity. Now I'm going to 1-minute chart. After 9:30, where was the 9:30 here? After 9:30, it went higher. Take the buy side liquidity. Went to the 15-minute fair value gap. Gave us a very nice setup over there. Breaker setup. Also the fair value gap. I took that entry. I uploaded that to my Twitter. You can check it over there. So that was the entry. Okay. In short, that was the entry. I mean, I don't want to talk about that. That was the whole discussion to my morning session. Mickey Mouse move. Yeah, this is the Mickey Mouse move, and I'm not interested to this right now. It is inside the silver bullet zone. I expect lower run. That is my expectation. I want to see the lower run. I'm not interested to take any kind of buy. This should be the continuation of the expansion. So I'm not interested to take buy, though this buy side liquidity is much more cleaner than anything else. Market is going to take that buy. I mean that buy side liquidity. It has taken the sell side liquidity, gave you very nice market structure shift to fair value gap. This is the breakaway gap. I'm telling you beforehand, okay? This is the breakaway gap. There will be another fair value gap. That should be your entry setup, and your stop loss has to be below the breakaway gap. This should be your target. That is the setup over here, but I'm not interested to take that entry. Why? My narrative is telling me market will go lower. I will read the price over here. How do I how am I so sure that market is going to take that buy sell liquidity? Because this clean buy sell liquidity, market will never uh keep it like that way. You'll never do that like that way. Okay, that is the thing. I'm much more confident about that. Okay, so um, I see. I told you need a Discord. I am very busy, brother. Earlier, I'm very busy. I'm over there. Sometimes music life or someone actually mentioned me or messaged me to reply. I mean to clear some confusion over there. I go to the Discord and I try to clear them. Okay. So this is the first fair value gap. Don't forget, this is the first fair value gap. This is the breakaway gap. Just let me mark it. This is the first fair value gap. This is the breakaway gap. Sell set taken. Market structure shift. Where should be your entry? There should be your entry. Where should be your stop loss? Below the breakaway gap. Where should be your target? There should be your target. Okay. Now, am I interested to take this entry? No, I'm not interested to take this entry. Why? Because this is against my narrative. I will read the price over here. I will read how it reacts over there. Because it will take that buy side liquidity for sure. 100% sure? No, I'm not 100% sure. I can't write over here that I'm always right. If this setup actually worked, I'm not going to write I'm always right. Okay, this is the logic. This is the time when you will read the price, when you will take this entry, when you are uh, what to say, actually you are approved to take that entry. When you will understand the price action, then you are approved to take that entry. Now it is look so beautiful, it is look so clean. Trust me brother, it is looking so clean. It's because I am showing it to you. That is why it is looking so beautiful and so cute. When you will be alone, I won't be there. Trust me, it is kind of the toughest decision you will take. Trust me, trust me, trust me. If you don't trust me, you can learn from me. Okay, maybe you will learn from other people, but you can't learn from me. You are not allowed to take that entry. You are not allowed. Brother, did you take it entry if you would do the live trade? No, I am not going to take that entry. Which entry you would take? If you ask me which entry I would take, this was the entry I would take. Breaker entry. This entry I would take. Where was that? Here was that. This entry I would take. I mean the setup, clean setup one. Okay, not this one. This entry I would take. Do you take this entry? No. But you marked it, right? I marked it, right? Whatever. Do you take that entry? No. But it was perfect, right? I didn't take that entry. Do you take that entry? That was also the clean setup. The same thing. Whatever I am showing you here, here was also the same thing. Do you take that entry? No. Any other entry? No. I would only take the breaker entry and this entry. If I would take two entries. But brother, it is very clean. I don't know. It will take that buy side liquidity for 100%. I don't know that. It will take that. When it will take that, I don't know. Then how can you be so sure? This is experience. This is just an experience. I can't take my decision depending on my experience. I need the clean price action. Oh man. Brother, can you make a video on all these specific time frames? There are so many important times to remember. I already told you to remember some macros. That is actually important. In my opinion, that is important. If you just remember 950, 1010, 1050, 1110, 250, sorry, 150, 210, and 250, 310. Okay, these four macros. That is the most dangerous macros, the most easiest macros. Whatever you say, that four macros. Okay, if you just can remember that four macros, that's enough. In my opinion, that's enough. Just don't take your decision when it is inside the macro. Just let price go a little bit, then you take your decision. Okay, I mean, I hope you got the point. But Ravi, I will try. Okay brother, right now I'm so busy, trust me. When I'll be free, I will try to make the video depending on that. Okay, আবুল আজিজ, আমি শিখিয়ে দেব ভাই, ডিসকর্ড খুবই সহজ। Okay, no problem. The link is not valid anymore. What did you say? It's not valid. Let me check. So invite is not valid. If any of you, okay, over here, okay, this is the Discord. Okay, I don't know how to invite it. I mean, how to copy the link. Can anyone just copy the link and tag me or something? I will just repost that or something. Can anyone please, or just comment over here that to this group? I mean the to my pin post. Can anyone just comment over there? Please, that's a request, okay? Please. 21 private mentorship also the everything. I mean, why did you ask me that 22 or 20 2021 private mentorship? No, I was in 2019 private mentorship of Michael. After that, I didn't join any mentorship, private mentorship. I actually studied his YouTube free things. After 22, and you know everything is free, right? So after 2019, I already explained the experience of my life when I was frustrated and when I take this seriously. Everything I've already told of you. So I actually didn't spend any money after 2019. Okay, brother. Uh, bro, have you left Top Step? Till now, I have the account in Top Step and FTMO. Both of there I have the account, but very soon I'm going to quit them. Very soon. I mean, very soon means very soon. Maybe within January or February, I'm going to quit the platform. I'm gonna start my self-funded account through AMP. Hello, I just joined your stream. Could you look at DXY and tell me what your bias is? My bias in DXY is bullish. Let me go over there. My bias in DXY is bullish. I actually love to stay in hourly chart. So this is the hourly chart. It has traded this fair value gap. Let me go to the 50-minute chart one more time. Remove this one. It came here. It came here again. It will retrace little bit lower. It will go little lower. After that, it will go higher, and it will clean this buy side liquidity. That is my expectation. Okay, I'm not telling you it will happen or something. That is my expectation. It will go little bit lower to this order block, or the mean threshold. Okay, so there are two level I actually love to mark: the order block and the mean threshold. So my expectation is market will go little bit lower. Maybe it will trade the order block or the mean threshold. After that, it will go higher and it will take the buy side liquidity. That's my expectation from dollar index. Okay, brother. And nav nav I maybe I saw your name before. DXI bullish. Yeah, DXI is bullish. Abhinav, could you say why you're expecting higher prices on DXI? Okay. Oh, please ask him. I mean, give him the answer. Was not okay. Continuation of Wednesday's move. Okay. No problem, brother. I will just make notes, questions when you are offline, and then plus the live chat when you are back online. No problem, brother. I'm happy to give you the answer. Okay. So beautiful, so elegant. Just look like wow. Okay. Thank you, Abdul Aziz. Thank you, brother. Right. Okay. You can right click the channel, then there will be option invite people. And here's the Discord account. Is your expectation for this week and next week bullish? Milad, uh, if you're asking about the dollar index, yeah, I'm expecting higher. And for the Nasdaq, I'm expecting lower. Okay, so I'm expecting market will go low. For Nasdaq, market will go high. For DXY, for next week, I didn't I didn't do my analysis till now for the next week. This is all the analysis for this week. Okay, so this week it is going lower. I'm happy to see that. That was my expectation from the beginning of this week. So we got the lower price action, I mean lower run. I'm happy to see that. Next week I will see it later. Okay, And I think, yeah, let's you send me. Okay, okay, thank you. I'm gonna repost it. I mean, any of you actually interested, then I reposted the Discord group. Also, maybe we actually uh, commented over there. No, he didn't comment here. Whatever, I just reposted it. Okay, so please, you if you want, you can. Where else? Here, you can join over there. I mean, I don't know what to say. Discord, I don't know. Whatever. So price is over here till now. Uh, I'm happy to see that. My belief is it will take the buy side liquidity. That is my belief. But it will do that or not, I don't know. Maybe I'm okay. I'm stopped out. I'm happy to see. This is the thing, guys. I wanted to tell this one over here. Do you remember when I saw the setup over there? Where was that? Here. In the morning session, when I saw this entry, that was our buy side liquid, right? I saw this setup. I told you that market will tap here and it will take the buy side liquidity, but I don't know. It will take that buy side liquidity or it will come here. It will stop me out. After that, it will take the buy side liquidity. I don't know that because that is against my narrative. So that is the reason I am not interested to take that buy. But look over here. Whenever I get a sell entry, it has no possibilities to stop me out before taking the sell side liquidity. Look, every time when I take a sell entry, it went lower, it has taken the sell side liquidity. But over here, it is against your bias, it's against your narrative. When it is against your narrative, are you going to take that entry? I'm not interested to take that entry. Never ever. I already know this is the continuation of the expansion. Why do I take my entry against my narrative? Why do I do that? Now look over here. I believe it will work. Okay, just it has taken over there, it went over there. You will put my stop loss over there and you can put your target profit over there. I believe it will work. This entry is much more thousand times better than that buy entry. You see the clean setup? I don't care about that. This entry is much more better without any confluences, without anything. This entry is much more better than the buy setup. Why? Because your narrative is telling you market will go lower. That is your narrative. That is why this is much more confident or confidential entries comparing to the buy setup. I don't know you guys get it or not. Okay, let's go. Yeah, let's go. Where do you want to go? Nobody, please push your button. Nobody. I'm trying to give you something. Try to take that. Don't push your button. See, where did I put my stop loss? I didn't put my stop loss any logical level. So if you'd like to take that entry depending on my analysis, maybe you will be stopped out. You don't know how to manage these entries. So that is my only request to you. Please don't push your button. I'm just randomly push my button. Don't do it. If you do it, you will take a loss. If you want to take your entry depending on your analysis, you're free to go. But don't take entry depending on my analysis. I never put my stop loss to the logical level. Sometimes I forget, I put it, but most of the time I will put my stop loss at the level where it can be stopped out. Okay, so don't push depending on my analysis. What I'm seeing over, you will, if you are new, you can never see that. You can never see that. how I'm watching this fair value gap. I have already taught you how I'm watching this fair value gap, but you don't know because you are new. That's the only reason you don't know. Don't be ridiculous, okay? Try to understand the theme. Why this entry buy side, this setup is not valid. Why you will look for sell. Why when you will read the price, when you will look for the entries. This is the theme of the live streaming for 2 days. How many setup you will take, how you will work with your psychology, everything is important. I don't know you got it or not. It's initial if item will bearish on shorts, if external bullish only longs. Yep, that's the thing, brother. You have to work with your, no, not higher time frame actually. You have to work with your narrative, your bias, your every single thing. You have to work with them. This is the thing. Okay. I meant the Discord only. Okay. 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 How many likes I got? I got 20. I got 15 likes. I can see 19 people. I got 15 likes. I am happy. Am I happy? No, I'm not happy. I'm not happy. To be honest, brother, I'm not happy. I I expect 19 like as well. At least 19 likes. I think it's enough for today. I mean, after a long, did did I get load shedding again? No, I didn't get my load shedding. I think so. So after a long, I think it's enough for today, and you will understand when you should read the price and when you should take the entry. Okay. Okay, just let me explain this one. Otherwise, you will think I took that entry and I took a loss. Look over here. What did I tell you about this last fair value gap? This is the last fair value gap, right? What did I tell you? I told you if you see market went lower, it has to come back again to the consequent encroachment, retracement for the consequent entrustment. It will go a little bit lower. It will tap to the lower part. It will take the sell side liquidity. If you see this, here will be your entry. Until then, you have no entry. Okay, no simple entry. Look at this buy side liquidity. This is very clean. When it will go over there, do you know that? I don't know. Why I don't know? Because my narrative is low. It should go lower. It will take this buy side liquidity, but when it will take, I don't know. I am waiting for taking the sell side. I mean, sell setup. Perfect sell setup. If I get that, I will take that. If I don't get that, I'm not going to do anything. It is going higher. It is going to take that buy side liquidity. Okay, I'm happy to see that. No problem. Please go and take that sell side buy side liquidity. After taking the buy side liquidity, this is the last fair value. Look at this fair value gap. If price can go over there and give me very clean setup, I will go for short. When you will take your first entry over there, you will be stopped out. You see this run. If you take entry over there, that is gambling. You can't do that. Maybe you saw it has taken sell side liquidity, gave you market structure shift. This is my fair value gap, so I'm going to take my entry over there. This is my buy side liquidity. That is gambling. But brother, it actually worked. It came here and it has taken the buy side liquidity. I don't care. That is gambling. Pure gambling. Why did you take that entry? Because you took a loss over here. First time you took a loss over there. So you are, this is the revenge trade. You can't take that. You can't take that. You are not allowed to do that. You don't know market will go over there or not. Your narrative is low. Market should go low. Whenever you will take entry, you will wait for this type of very clean setup, but for the sell setup, not for the buy setup. This same setup you will wait when you will take a sell. Is it clear or not? SK brother, you just joined today, right? Where I will find now the clean setup, brother. Mm, guys, clean setup, right? Wait, just a second. Just a second, brother. Just a second. If you go to my Twitter, you will find the clean setup. Okay, brother, please go over there because I really don't know how to show you the clean setup right now. Please, okay? So please go over there and you will get the setup over there. Okay, I'll see you, brother. Clean setup is gone. No sleeping name. Okay, see you, brother. Good night. Uh, okay, thank you, and if you are new, you can subscribe. Okay, and I am asking. I mean, if you like, then you can subscribe. Otherwise, it's okay. So I think, guys, I should leave as well. I mean, it's more than enough for one day. Wait for the setup. My expectation is it will go and take this buy side liquidity, then it will tap to this parallel gap. This will hold the price. I will wait for some kind of very clean setup over there. This is my sell side liquidity. Where is this? Is my sell side liquidity. I'm expecting market will go over there. I mean, it will go toward there. But if I don't see any sell setup, I'm not interested to take sell. Here, I'm not doing anything. It's because I have very clean buy side liquidity over there. So I don't care about any setup over here. Nothing. Oh, brother, you have taken a loss. How much was that? 675. Oh man, if I just do some type of this type of things, okay, just do this. I can mitigate my loss. 675, right? 675, 675, 7, 5. If I just do this, I can mitigate my loss. Just doing nothing, just nothing, but I can mitigate my loss. It's so simple. I mean, if you ever take us, I mean, loss, don't even worry about that. If you know the price action, trust me, brother, losing trade is nothing. It's totally nothing. Now, when I'm expecting the bigger run, I mean the big run, sometimes I write it down, brother. Now I'm expecting the big run. Right now, I'm expecting the big run. This is the time I'm expecting the big run. There is only thing I'm caring. Why did I expect the big run? What was the reason? Okay, so my losses has been mitigated. Whatever. This was logical. Okay, don't think I just put my I mean entry over there. Look why it was the big run. It has taken the sell side liquidity. It went above there. It came little bit lower. That was the, I mean, order block. Let me just mark this one. So this was the order block. Now look at the mean threshold of this order block. See the mean threshold. I saw this candle actually traded the mean threshold of this order block. After trading the mean threshold, when the price actually go above the order block level, that is the perfect time for getting the very big run. Very big run. That is why I was expecting this type of big runs over there. In that candle, no. Maybe one or two candle, maybe within three candle, I was expecting some kind of big run. But it was coincident. I talked about the big run. I saw this big run. Okay, that was coincident. Don't think I knew that would be the big run. I didn't know that. But I knew within one, two, or three candle, I will get the big run. So that was the big run. So this is some kind of logic. You will learn that so soon. Except the water block. Except the water block, you will learn everything else. I will teach you everything. Now look at this buy side liquidity. How beautiful this buy side liquidity. One high, two high. Oh man, I was thinking to quit. I mean, ending my session, and I'm just talking. I'm sorry. So you see, my losing trade has mitigated, so I didn't take any loss today. That was fun, brother. That was fun. So see you guys. I hope uh, you love it, and please don't gamble. That is my humble request to all of you. Try to understand the price action. Try to understand the narrative. I have already uploaded 3 days narrative to my YouTube channel. Watch them, and in the meantime, when I will get free time, I will upload the rest 2 days so that it will be easier for you to understand. Please don't gamble. That is my only request to all of you. Please don't gamble. If you are new, any of you are here who is new, you can subscribe to my channel. It's up to you. If you would like to do that, you can do that. Otherwise, it's up to you. You will lose the chance to be the millionaire. I can assure you that. So see you guys. I hope I will be able to do my live stream tomorrow as well, but not sure. I will tweet it. Okay, I will tweet it if I can. See you guys. Bye bye.